Say goodbye to never-ending work weeks and burnout from your business. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Josh from the University of Verne Small Business Development Center. And here at the SBDC, we provide business owners with free one-on-one consulting and business tip videos just like this one. So if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Running a business is hard, and finding time to make sure your business runs smoothly is frankly exhausting. Many small business owners work so long and hard in their business, they never have time to work on and grow their business, which leads to 80-hour work weeks and 0 vacations. In this video, I'll show you an effective time management technique called time blocking and how to use it for small business success. So what is time blocking? Time blocking is the time management technique of creating blocks during the week or day where you can focus on a singular type of task. This encourages the concept of deep work, where much of your thinking power allows you to get tasks done in a more thorough and effective way. I have my handy-dandy matrix to prioritize your tasks, so let's take a look at it. So here's the time management matrix that you can use to figure out what tasks are ones you want to block. So looking at our matrix, there are categories urgent, not urgent, important, and not important. In our urgent and important section, these are tasks like crises that can't be planned or have little lead time for you to get them done. You can't necessarily plan around the building burning down, so don't worry about that stuff, but be prepared to pivot. The non-emergency or non-crisis situations definitely are ones you want to time block if you can. If you have an upcoming deadline or a short notice project, these are the tasks that you can block more time if you need to. But what about urgent but unimportant tasks? This is where you can allow for some buffer time of 15 minutes or so between blocks to switch tasks. You can't control these interruptions, but with the right planning, you can preempt them, such as giving an hour at the start of your day and at the end of your day to reach customers and team through emails. The next section is the important tasks that are not urgent. Now this is where most of your time blocking will live. Functions like marketing, billing, production should be scheduled as much as possible. These need to be done to grow your business, and you need to find the time. The final section is not urgent and unimportant tasks. These are busy work, time sucks, and trivialities. Time blocking was created to avoid these activities altogether and make the most of your work in your business. This method is geared towards making the most and efficient use of your time and not slaving away in your business. So now that you have an idea of what tasks you want to time block and how to prioritize them, let me show you what time blocking actually looks like. So here's an example of what a work week looks like using time blocking. Let's say I run a small furniture manufacturing company and I have a couple of employees who help me build products. Notice that all the different types of tasks I need to complete are color-coded. You want to make sure your blocks are at least 2 hours long when you're planning your deep work categories. Most of my time is spent building the product, and that's labeled production, but you can label it anything you want to help you remember. Now, Wednesday is my heaviest production day because I might need to get a specific customer order completed, so I schedule more time. Notice I also have set aside time for billing for jobs. Again, if you're creating products and billing all the time, this may be something you want to do more often depending on the business. So far, all of my tasks have been working in the business, making sure it runs smoothly. But what about working on the business and making sure it grows? Well, I've accounted for that too. Notice I have these 2 marketing days. I could use these days to plan out social media posts for next week or create a scheduled email newsletter to keep top of mind with my customers for later in the week. Finally, notice a lot of these blue sections. Now these are my times to catch up and clear my inbox or get back to customers because I missed their call. I also schedule lunch for myself to give myself a break, because you deserve one working all these hours. When using time blocking or any other time management technique, you need to remember one thing. Be sure you have enough time to work on the business and strategize what your next steps are going to be. This will be crucial if you want to scale your business, not just making sure it survives. But what do you think? Do you use time blocking in your own business, or do you use another method? Let me know down in the comments below. Hey guys, I hope you liked this video. Give us a like and share this video, it really helps us out. Click the icon right here to subscribe and get notifications on all of our new videos. And check out some of our other videos right here to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.